Next, let's take a look at route selections. This crucial feature allows you to prioritize your outbound routes based on specific time constraints and selection criteria. Step 1. Accessing the Route Selections module. To create your customized route selections, you must go to HaPBX, select Class of Service, and then click on Route Selections. This module is intentionally very straightforward to use. Step 2. Configuring Description and Route Members. First, you must enter a description to clearly identify the purpose of this particular route selection. Next, we define the route selection members. These are the specific outbound routes you want to associate with this selection, which you choose from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Setting a schedule with a time group. Next, you can select an existing time group. This establishes a schedule, defining the exact times and days when this particular route is going to be used. Step 4. Disabling the route. Finally, you have the simple option to enable or not this specific route within the route selection configuration. Once satisfied, you can then click on Save and Apply Changes. While we will see more about time groups in the next lesson, this process shows you exactly how to structure the specific routes that will be available for a class of service. You can create as many route selections as you need.